Welcome to my shortcut series on Windows 10 and 11. So, before we get started, let me go ahead and activate the on-screen keyboard. You know, I don't have to video my keyboard in order to show you what I do. With the on-screen keyboard, I will show you what I do and how I apply my methods. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. To open the on-screen keyboard, click on the Control key, then the Windows logo key and the O. That will activate the on-screen keyboard, as you can see. So, what we're gonna do now is how to open. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 applications pinned on the taskbar, as you can see, starting from left to the right. So the first application here is the Microsoft Edge. Then the second application here is File Explorer, then Microsoft Store, Google Chrome, then my integrated development environment, as you can see here. But how do you open the first application pinned starting from the left? To open this Microsoft Edge, which is the first application on the taskbar, you have to click on the Windows key and then 1. The second one will take 2. The third one will take 3. The fourth one will take 4. So let me go get Microsoft Edge by clicking on the Windows logo key and 1. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, our Microsoft Edge is up and running. Then open the File Explorer by going for Windows logo key and the 2. Yeah, here we go. Then let me close it and open Google Chrome. So Google Chrome now should be number 4, right? Starting from here, your left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Windows logo key and then number 4. So as you can see, our Google Chrome is up and running. 2 more things before we call it an end. Another way to open this File Explorer, let's assume that is not pinned on the taskbar. The shortcut to this is the Windows key and letter E will open your File Explorer for you. As you can see, we just opened that. Then the last one for this tutorial is the settings menu. So to open the settings menu, to open that, what you have to do is to click on the Windows key, Windows logo key, and then the letter I. That is settings opened for you. So thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to support the channel. Then if you wanna see more videos, please consider, you will see that notification bell beside the subscription button. You will get the alert to come and check it out. Thank you for watching and God bless you.